Hello and welcome to my kitchen. When watermelons are in season, I love to make salads with them. This is a quick mix summer salad with a lemon mustard dressing and I often make a meal of it. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting, easy, tried and tested recipes. I have here some watermelon cut into cubes, some sprouts, sweet ripe mango cut into small cubes, sliced cucumber, raisins, sultanas or kishmish, use any one of them, chopped coriander leaves and stalk, sliced raw mango and some cooked quinoa. Add in the sprouts, mangoes, ripe and raw, sliced cucumber, some coriander leaves. I'll reserve some for garnish, and a handful of raisins, and the cooked quinoa. You could just cling wrap the bowl and leave it in the fridge. So you add the dressing right before you want to serve the salad. For the dressing, I'll use a glass jar. Add in some good quality mustard oil, some lime pickle, some chili flakes, roasted cumin powder, honey, some black salt, and some lime juice. Now all that is left to do is put on a lid and shake up the jar. Make sure that the dressing looks thick and that it has formed an emulsion. I think that's done. Let's dress up the salad. Drizzle the dressing on top. And mix it up. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. Look at all the lovely colors. That looks pretty. Mix to coat all the ingredients well with your dressing. That's done. Sprinkle some coriander leaves on top. And that's ready to serve. This tangy and flavorsome salad may be served as an appetizer or as a side dish. It can also be the perfect summer day meal for you. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe.